Hey, welcome to my channel. So I wanted to show some dash cam footage from my Tesla Model 3 where I had to avoid an accident. And um, the Tesla Model 3 has really good traction control. It's all-wheel drive, and the traction control makes it difficult to spin out even in the rain. And so what we're going to show here is the truck in front of me is going to get over like he's going to get onto the interstate. And once he does that, I'm actually going to pull up beside him. And then he's going to jerk over really quickly. And I have to avoid him. And there I am avoiding him. You can see my car gets really squirrely. And to be honest with you, I've done a lot of fast driving in my life and things. I've also spun out in the wet, and typically, as you see right here, my car gets really squirrely, but it does not spin out. And I really believe in any other car, I would have easily at least gotten into the curb there. So I just wanted to share that and kind of see. So here's another view close to where I get to the curb, and you can see the cars swerving back and forth. That's me. I'm in there really with on the wheel, turning back and forth really quickly. So hope you enjoyed this. Thanks. Bye.